Whether we feel sleepy or awake is governed by a few things: sleep pressure and also our circadian rhythm. That responds to light. However, our body releases something called melatonin with darkness. This has a bit of a soporific effect on the body, making us feel really tired and really sleepy. So therefore, darkness is obviously better for sleep. Round about 2.5 years of age though, some sleep issues can start to creep in, where children don't really want to sleep in the dark. What can we do when that happens? Well, a little bit of a game changer is using a light that's red in colour in the background. This has been shown not to affect melatonin as much as blue or bright white lights. So if you're considering using a nightlight, use something like this. It's a colour changing light bulb. You can set it to a really dim red glow during the night hours. That will help your child feel more at ease in their bedroom. And then you can turn it bright green in the morning when it's time to get up. It also has the same effect as a toddler clock. So red means bed and green means go. It's a win-win.